everyone wants to know. Okay, that sums it up.
Teeth.
Okay.
Two eyes.
I mean, not even necessarily looks, but quality, I guess.
This is what it's like not to interview Adrian Grenier. Yeah, that's him. That's that incredible smile from Entourage. But the reporter from Us Weekly is ahead of me. It's the way these things go, right? That's Sharif Markaby from Ford. And obviously he's not getting all the questions because they're going to the celebrity in the house. Mr. Adrian Grenier, the star of Entourage, which was indeed a very good show. I enjoyed it quite a bit, but they drove very uncool cars on that show. Well, they're cool in one sense, because they were Ferraris and Lamborghinis, but also big Ford Excursions and Hummers and all kinds of big gas guzzlers. I'm not sure who influenced the picking of the cars there. The kind of thing where celebrities, they all say they have Priuses, but they got a lot of their cars in the garage too. So I'm not clear at this point whether I'll have time to interview the Hollywood star here, but I thought I'd give you some photos of him. Oh, and that's, I believe, the director of Shift.com, which is a new environmental enterprise being launched by Mr. Grenier here. It's shft.com, and you can see it on the poster behind you. They're doing a collaborative effort with Ford. All right. Okay. Live reporting from New York City, this is Jim Motivale with Adrian Grenier in the spotlight.